सब्सक्राइब कीजिए हमारे श्रेया कंप्यूटर चैनल को और बेल आइकन को दबाइए लेटेस्ट टेक्नोलॉजी वीडियो सबसे पहले देखने। Hi friends, my name is Sham and you're watching Shreya Computer Tech Channel. Friends, our today's topic is how to install Android Oreo 8.1.1 on BQ Aquaris. Friends, this ROM is specially designed for BQ phones. We can focus on this about Oreo. It contains a number of major features including notifications grouping, picture-in-picture, support for video, performance improvements and battery usage optimization, and support for autofill passwords. When it comes in upgradable in hardware, a Bluetooth version 5.0, a system level integration with Vivo IP apps, white color garments and Wi-Fi aware. Friends, before install this custom ROM, we need to enable the three things in your phone. First of all, enable developer option, unlock your bootloader. Final one is install TWRP, then we could install. So let's get this started. Friends, reboot your phone into TWRP recovery mode by pressing volume up and down and power button. When the screen appears like this type, select backup option. First of all, we need to back up our original ROM data. Click on backup. After selecting in this boot, recovery, system, data and modem. After selecting this and simply swipe right to take a backup. It approximately contains 5.5 GB. After finishing this progress, we need to go to home screen. Simple here. Click on back. When it comes under home screen, we need to wipe our temporary data and art cache before install this ROM. Simply click on wipe. In this criteria, we have to select Dalvik art cache, system, data and cache. After selecting these four options, simply swipe right to wipe data. Then it will begin to wiping your partition. After it completed, then we need to again go to home screen to install custom ROM. Simple, click on back option, select install. These links are provided download description. After selecting this, here simply swipe right to install. Here friends, do not press any back button during the installation. After it will install successfully, then we need to wipe our temporary data cache. Simply swipe right to format this cache. Here we could finish it all the process to installation Android Oreo 8.1. Then we need to reboot our system. By click on this, your system has been rebooted. It will take 4 to 5 minutes to set up complete your home screen. I will meet you after completed my home screen. Friends, this is the Android version 8.1.1 on my BQ phone. It's pretty customizable and user-friendly. Smoother apps, better performance has been implemented in this Oreo 8.1. When we look up into the notification criteria, the colors has been changed as reverse format with compared in Nougat 7.1.2. In this settings area, the related settings has been segregated in one settings. Just like when we look up into network and internet, the Wi-Fi, mobile data, usage, hotspot, these are all settings in one setting. Just like when we need to in sound option, volume, vibrant, do not disturb. When it comes to the app and notification, the permissions, default apps, uninstallation, these are all segregated in app and notification. Friends, this is about my BQ phone. Android version is 8.1.1. The security patch is January 14, 2018 and the kernel version has been very recent. Friends, my suggestion is ported this custom ROM which I have give you a latest security patch level upgradable twice in a month with the compare of Stock ROM. So friends, hope you like my video. If you like my video, then please like button and don't forget to subscribe my channel. I will give you a latest update on the below description. You may find it in a regular basis. Thank you friends.